SARA is the Severn Area Rescue Association, and we operate the lifeboat and land search rescue operations from Wire Forest up in Worcester all the way down through to Porter's Head on the Severn. So the building is a listed building. It used to be the old dock keeper's house. We've occupied the building for the last 25 years or so, and then over the years, due to weather and the age of the building, we've started to experience more and more issues with damp. The main source of that damp has been the windows. Being a listed building, we have to have single pane wooden frame sash windows, and they have a habit of degrading and letting water into the building. So our target to raise is about 25,000. Obviously, as we start exploring some of the work, that may go up, but at the moment we're looking at about £25,000. The pandemic has had a real impact on us. We rely a lot on our street collections, which is face-to-face, a lot of contact with people, which of course we've had to abandon completely. We also do an annual open day at the station, which was early August. We had to cancel that too. And as an example, last year our open day raised just over £3,000, so it's a big loss for us. The building itself, it's in such a good location for us that we would never really look to leave this building. There's no other facility in Sharpness that could house us close enough to the river to be viable for a lifeboat station. We maintain our rescue ability regardless of the building. We are on call 7 days a week, 365 days of the year, and we will respond to any and all incidents that come in.